Jacob, do not fear, for the Lord who formed you speaks. He called you by His mercy. He will not cast you away. He pours water on the thirsty, His Spirit on the dry. Sons and daughters rise again to bear His holy name. O Israel, turn your hearts, cast down the silent gods. Remember Him alone, the one who blots out sin. Your Redeemer lives forever, the first and the last. He stretches out the heaven, He speaks and earth stands firm. Return to Him with gladness, for He has redeemed your life. We are yours forever, Lord, engraved upon your hand. O Jacob, do not fear. O Jacob,